Bed Wars new kits. Rip my Robux. Alright, so yeah, I bought the bundle. How did you get that? Skill issue. You can charge this up? You can charge it up! Oh my god. I have Walmart version of Infernal Saber. Want Infernal. Want the sword. Yeah, I'm asking this guy if he wants the sword. Here. Take it, take it, take it. Take it, dude. Take it. I dropped it. There is also a light sword. I guess it's pretty cool. Yo. Okay, yeah, it's like a whole like spin attack. Yo, that's actually sick. Alright. Oh, let's go to two. Oh, he's right there. Okay. Yeah, these are my friends, by the way. These aren't random fans. Okay, invite me to. Yeah, let's go. I'm going to do a custom match because we need to test out these kits. Yeah, I'm being the new Ember kit. I don't really understand that much what it does, but yeah, I guess we'll find out like in a second here. No, I test on you for bid. First of all, you know, we gotta set the HP. Yeah. Alright, nice. Start match. Infinite HP. Wait, it's replaced by diamond sword, and there's a bar. I'll set team gens. Generators, wait, remove this dumb leaderboard. Host panels. Generators, let's go. This is a spectator generator. Let's go -1. And then I'll get these guys. Same for red, I'll do -1. No, did that go? I hope that happened. Bro, what is this guy doing? Hold on 1 second. Wait, wait. I'm gonna do spawn diamond 4. Alright, now let me get armory. Spawn emerald 4. Item shop, let's go. Let's purchase this thing. There it is. The Infernal Saber. Yo. Yeah. Oh my god. It does a fire enchant. That's sick. Yo. Yo. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. This thing literally does like a fire enchant. Like, look at this. You can literally like do like a spin thing. It's sick. Like, oh my god. That's amazing. Yeah, please. That's amazing. Oh my god. Wait, let me do the light one now. Spawn light saber Dang it, that's not what it's called. Dang it. Wait. Let me fill up bar. 1 sec. I'll give these mans infinite HP. You can have infinite HP, my guy, and then you can have infinite HP as well. Let me fill up the bar. Let me fill up the bar. Yo, what did I just do? Oh my god, what is this? There's a bar ability. What the heck? Oh my god. Dude, what is this bar? Wait, can it... what's the range on this? It's all charged up. Oh, yo! You can also use this as a normal sword, right? This is sick! That's so good! It does 36 damage. Oh my god. I'ma test out light ability. Let me first win this game. Give me Infernal Shield. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Give I forget his full name. Players Aiden, right? Give Infernal Shield. Oh no wait, I think it's I before E. Nice, okay. Kills you get. Alright. Try it. Oh yeah, it works against Infernal Shield. It blocked. Oh no, I thought it blocked enchant. That's too OP. That's way too OP. That's way too OP. Like, look at this. The shield effect doesn't work. Haha, noob. Like, look how OP this is. Look at this. If I charge it up, it's literally so good. Oh my god. That's just too good. It still does. Wait, does it actually? It does. No, it does 26. I'm getting so much. Oh my gosh. Wait. Static enchant. Smiley face. Enchant static. Wait. I need to try this. Oh no, please. Successfully gave. Alright, let's oh god. Alright, this is the first gameplay of static with the fire enchant. Oh my god! That's a one shot right there. That's a one shot. That's a one shot. One shot. Yo. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't say yo. Yo. Static. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, literally, this with static is so OP. You know how OP that would be. Look at this damage. Look at all that damage. It's a lot of damage. My god. Oh my god. That's too good. But now, okay, we do gotta test out the light ability. Let's test. Oh wait. I'm gonna test if you keep when you die. Oh no, X Demon's gonna be like, I'm gonna be a lifesteal god, guys. To keep when you die. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Oh, you lose it, dang it, I think. Alright, let's do light. Oh, I still have the empower thing. Wait, does it make it do more damage? Oh, it does. Nice. Alright, rejoin. Like my computer's ever gonna load. Oh, thank God. Kit. Where is it? Lumen. Equip. Damn, that's a hot kit skin right there. Oh, I might actually have to use that. Alright, so I started testing the kit. It's kind of trash. It does the exact same amount as a diamond sword. And then with this, it does the exact same amount as a diamond sword. But damn, this kit is actually kind of hot. I might use it just for the kit skin. Okay, wait, I'm gonna range test. Diamond sword. Wait. Wait. Stay here. I'm gonna put a block right here. Step on that. I'm gonna test. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so this is from 1. Alright, and that, okay. So it's 4 blocks. Okay, that's 5 blocks. There's no way I can do 6 blocks. 6 blocks. Right. Oh, okay. So I can hit from 5 blocks. 5 blocks for a diamond sword. Now I'm gonna delete these blocks. Let's see how many for this thing. Alright, okay. Yeah, let's go. So that's 4 blocks. Okay. Alright, so this is where diamond sword went to. So if I do this, it's a little better than diamond sword. Oh no, wait. Oh! Oh, it does like a slash. Oh, it does a slash. Okay. Do it from here. Okay, wait. Yo, that's actually good. It's like a long-range weapon. Wait. Oh, so it's like a... Okay, I kind of see. I see how that can be good. Wait. Wait, let's take a look at this. I haven't listened to it yet. Okay, so I can hit that. I'm gonna test 2 more blocks. Okay, so this is definitely better than a diamond sword, but like still. What kind of advantage is it giving? Dude. Wait. Yo, that actually does so. That's actually so sick. That hit? Wait, what? Yo, that's actually good. That's okay. That's actually not bad. Because like, yeah, that's not bad because I can hit it from all the way over here. Like if I aim at him, I can slash him. I can definitely slash him right now. Wait, hold on. So yeah, if he stands right up there, yeah, you do have to aim a little down. Yeah, and I can hit him from like all the way over there. Yeah, what's going on with you? Which is interesting. If we take a step back a little bit. What's going on with you? Anything? What's going on with you? Anything? Okay, that's interesting. What about now? Okay, wow, that's actually the range of a bow, basically. So is it like a sword / bow? Oh, I just got my ability. Oh, okay. Nice. Wait, is it better now? Yo! That's sick. So in conclusion, fire is a little bit better, like the fire one. But like that's sus. That's sus. Yeah, okay, in conclusion, the fire is a little bit better. Okay, it is used for like balloon popping. So like if you were to charge his balloons. Well, yeah, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Shout out to this kid, and yeah.